of joy because why, Elizabeth? Because I had cheesecake brownies. But you cannot jump on our bed, Elizabeth. This is where we sleep. Yeah, exactly. You know what, you guys? It's bedtime. Yeah, I can't believe in myself. Oh, God. Great. Ooh, that makes me a perfect idea. Ooh, let me get the wand. Elizabeth, what are you doing with that? Hey, look at that. Oh my goodness! Why is there a sound that is waking us up, Arlene? I don't know, baby. Whoa! Look. Look at me. I'm waving with a wand. But Elizabeth, great. How many times, Elizabeth? We need our sleep. Yeah, and you need some sleep as well, okay? Come on now. Look at this. I'm really excited because I have the wand with me. Woo! Look at that. Woo! Yay! Man, great. Like I said, Elizabeth, we're trying to get some sleep. Yeah, come on now. Please put the wand down and go to sleep, okay? Yeah, turn the wand off. No, I'm not going to be turning it off because I'll be playing music.
You're going to be popular.
Woo! Look.
You're going to be popular. Popular. You're going to be popular. I'll teach you the proper voice when you talk to boys.
Oh, great. What are you doing right now, baby? Because Elizabeth is playing with the wand when we're trying to get some sleep. Yeah, I don't get it. Ooh.
You'll be good at sport. No, it's a line you've got to know. So let's start. 'Cause you've got it most way to go. Don't be offended by my frank analysis. Think I made a enough.
Look at that!
It's good to see me, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good to see you, Glenda. Oh, man. Guys, what is going on? Elizabeth is playing with the wand when we're trying to get some sleep. Yeah, come on now. Seriously? Why would you just turn off the wand and get some sleep? No, I'm not going to. See? Look. Woo! Look at that. How washy it is, right? And you can see it can also play music. What? Oh, great. Oh, great, Elizabeth. Oh, man.
You're going to be popular. You're going to be popular. Popular.
Oh, great, Elizabeth.